people started trading today, guaranteed 9 of them will fail. But the question is, will you be one of those 9 losers? Or will you be part of that 10% who actually succeed? Because yes, 90% of traders fail. They deposit money, they trade for a few weeks, and eventually they end up giving up. Account emptied, dreams shattered. But why do they fail? Because they fall into the same traps. They make mistakes that are invisible to beginners, but almost guaranteed to make them lose. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the mistakes that destroy 90% of all traders. But most importantly, how you can join the 10% of traders who stay in the game. I am in the top 5 traders in the world on Pocket Option, and I'm here to help you trade efficiently. And make sure that you stay until the end of the video because I will be giving 3 concrete keys to avoid these traps and immediately increase your chances of success. If you're passionate about trading, you don't want to miss this. When you search how to make money in trading on YouTube, you will find hundreds of videos selling you the same crap. Fail-proof strategies, 100% win rate, make $500 per day. The problem is it's all fake. A strategy that worked yesterday might completely collapse tomorrow. And the thing is, the people who sell you these miracle strategies don't even use them themselves. Many beginners make the mistake of using strategies they don't even understand. They find a strategy that seems to work, they blindly follow the rules, and at first it might very well work, but eventually it ends in catastrophe. Why? Because you don't understand the market context or why the strategy even works in the first place. You watch a video where somebody uses this strategy in trending markets and makes incredible profit. You try it, except the market is ranging. Instead of following the trend, it keeps reversing, resulting in failure. A strategy is not a magic wand. You need to understand the market before applying it. Many beginner traders test a strategy by looking at the past. They take a chart, move candle by candle, and say, wow, it works. Oh my God, look, here, it's working again. The problem? The market does not behave the same in real time. When you trade live, you don't have hindsight. You might have a perfect signal, but a sudden political event can destroy it immediately. Basically what I'm saying, what looks reliable in the past can fail brutally in the future. I remember one night where I was scrolling through YouTube looking for the perfect trading strategy. You know, the type of video with the flashing titles, 100% win rate, best strategies for beginners. I found one that looked really promising. The backtest showed insane results, and people in the comments were super hyped. They said, whoa bro, this is gold. Finally a strategy that works. I was completely sold. I noted the entry rules, the indicators, everything. And the next day I deposited money and went all in. First trade, lost. Second trade, lost. Third trade, you guessed it, lost. And I remember thinking to myself, how did this happen? The strategy was proven to be successful. And that's when it hit me. Strategies don't fail because they're bad on paper. They fail because markets are unpredictable. And blindly following a set of rules doesn't work in real conditions. And that, my friends, is exactly why 90% of traders fail. They trust the system without adapting themselves to the market. They trade like robots, expecting the same results every time. But remember, the market isn't a machine, it's a battlefield. Everyone wants the perfect strategy, the secret method that guarantees success for everyone. But do you want to know the truth? Most strategies sold online are designed to fail. They look great in theory, but when it's time to trade, they crash and burn. So today, we're going to break the illusion and expose the real reason why your strategy is making you lose so much money. Copy my trades and profit like a top 5 global trader. You've seen the results. My copy trading group is ranked top 5 worldwide with over $10,000 in profits in just one day. And the best part, you don't need any experience. You just copy trades and cash in. Here's a sneak peek of what you get. My exact trades in real time, a proven strategy that delivers results, no need for analysis, just follow and profit. Stop guessing, stop struggling, join my VIP copy trading group and start trading like a pro today. DM me to get in now, the link is in the description below. Risk management is the difference between a trader who survives and a trader who burns his account in days. They don't understand that it's not about how much you win, it's about how much you can afford to lose. The classic mistake, betting everything on one trade. How many times have you seen a beginner trader put 50% or even 100% of their capital on a single trade? They might be thinking to themselves, if it works, I double my entire account. Or if I have a good gut feeling, it has to work. But the problem is the market doesn't give a damn about intuition. Even the best traders in the world have losing trades. If you bet too big and it goes south, your account is wiped out instantly. For example, me, the top 5 trader in the world. I have a win rate of more or less 75 to 85%. But that also means that in 100 trades, I lose at least 25 of them. So if I lose sometimes without money management, my account will blow up. Every trader needs money management. It's a rule of thumb. The biggest enemy of a trader isn't the markets themselves. How many times have you wanted to recover from a loss by doubling your trade? Or kept a losing trade thinking to yourself, it will come back, I just needed to. When you trade under the influence of emotion, you're no longer trading, you're simply gambling. What's the solution, you might ask? A strict and solid trading plan. No matter if you're afraid or feeling euphoric, you must execute your trades no matter what. And another thing, oftentimes traders lose not just because of themselves, but because of bad influences. To evolve in trading, you need a coach. Somebody that will point out your mistakes and help you evolve. But you have to choose your coach wisely. There's a huge difference between a group that just randomly throws signals and one that actually teaches you and shows you the way. For example, free signals with no explanation. Many blindly follow signals with no risk management or understanding of the process, resulting in them copying traders, but the moment the market changes, they lose everything. Or even dream sellers. I know you've seen them too. Those who promise 100% success, claiming you'll get rich in 3 days. Honestly, I cannot stress this enough. You have to choose your coach wisely. Their success has to be your success, and vice versa. Last time I lost, I made a public post about it because I prioritized transparency. So, we've seen the fatal mistakes that 90% of traders make. The illusion of easy trades, lack of risk management, emotional trading, and bad influences. But now, let me present the solutions. Understanding that the market is unpredictable, manage your risks intelligently, control your emotions, and last but not least, make sure you choose the right role models. The question is, do you want to continue making the same mistakes over and over again, or do you feel like it's finally time to start trading smart? If you want real framework, winning strategies, and real education instead of blindly following signals, join my VIP group. The choice is ultimately yours. I'll see you on the other side.